ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೈಬಲ್ ಕುರಿತಾದ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಿ ವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌನ್ ಮನೆಗ ಕರೋಡ್ಪತಿ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬೈಬಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅಂದರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಬೈಬಲ್ ಒಳಗಿನಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇವರು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದರ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಡಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Praise Lord. Greetings to you all in the matchless name of Lord Jesus Christ on behalf of His Grace Ministries. I take the opportunity to introduce the Bible quiz competition. ಈ ಬೈಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಪ್ಲಿಕಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೌನ್ ಬನೆ ಕರೋಡ್ಪತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೌನ್ ಬನೆ ಕರೋಡ್ಪತಿ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಬಿಬ್ಲಿಕಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಕೌನ್ ಬನೆ ಕರೋಡ್ಪತಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಜನರಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಈಸ್ with biblical as it is first season. The portion of this Bible competition would be Old Testament nalli baruvanta everything, all the questions would be Sunday school based questions, very simple and easy questions. It will be live in Shubhavakyam channel nalli live irutte. Exciting prizes will be there, as well as cash prizes and trophies, and there is no any age limit for this competition. Please note, there is no any age limit, right from 5 plus to 65 plus. Each and everyone can register their names. The procedure of registration, today we will be distributing our handbills to you. Once you go through the first number or any of the numbers in this particular pamphlet, you can just message your details. The details would be your name, your age, the language you prefer, and the church name. It is very simple. The name, the age group, the language you prefer, and your church name. Madi nimma passport size photo, if you send it to our WhatsApp number, we'll be sending you the hall ticket. And this is live program. It will be 1-to-1. So it's a very golden opportunity, a beautiful platform. It is a very beautiful platform. I would like to appreciate and encourage you people to make the best use of this. And the portion for this particular Bible competition would be Old Testament, and it will be, the rules are, first only 5 participants are allowed for each episode. 5 participants, wherein the first round would be fastest finger first. Whoever presses the buzzer to the earliest will be entitled to come to the hot seat. So it's a beautiful platform. The preferred languages would be English, Kannada, and Telugu. The preferred languages are English, Kannada, and Telugu. The portion allotted for this Bible competition would be Old Testament. And the person who comes to the hot seat, there will be 15 questions back to back, 15 questions. And as you people are familiar with Kaun Bane Karodpati, first 5 questions would be the safe questions. Next 5 questions, each and everything, the registration fee for this competition would be 500 rupees. The registration fees is 500. It is not especially meant for the kids. I am talking to the open crowd and the congregation here. You people have a beautiful opportunity. This is the ever first time in South India we are organizing such a live Bible quiz competition, the replica of Kaun Bane Karodpati. It is Kaun Banega Masters of Bible Quiz. It is Masters of Bible Quiz, and we'll be giving the details to you. You can just message to us with your details. If any of the clarifications of the rules or the criteria, if anything is confused, you can just call us, wherein we'll be explaining you the things.
Hello.